Hey everyone, this is an impromptu video in the new powered wheelchair, as I call it, my new Polaris, and got it set up. Foxy and I, hey Fox, look at the camera, good girl. We're heading out putting up swarm traps right now for honeybees, and we've just done one. We're going to run up all the way to the other end of the properties and get down there. It's going to be pretty neat looking. I thought I'd just share this with you. And we'll try out. I got a new mic too. It's supposed to be noise canceling. All right, let's go. So I put off buying a Polaris for quite a while, 15 years, but not wanting to give up on having to walk everywhere. But I put hand controls in this one, and let's see here. Get into high gear. I put hand controls in it, and learning how to use this. Here we go. In Washington State, on county roads, it is legal in most counties now to, if you're licensed, to run down the road. That's what we're doing. We're going to go about a mile to a set of double gates. I'll speed this up a little bit. Here we go. Warp drive. Okay, got the gate open, and storm's right behind me. So here we go. This is beautiful going down here. Oh, it's so beautiful down here. Trying to think about where I want to put this trap. Get to it. There we go. I got a good one picked out. Now, did I tell you this was beautiful or what? Look at that. If I was a bee, I'd want to live here. That's for sure. Okay. Well, let's get to it. Well, I don't know if that's going to work or not, but we'll give it a shot here. Tell you what, having MS sucks, especially trying to walk in this stuff. So let's see what we can do here. Foxy, come. Come on, Fox. Well, I just opened my eyes and noticed, oh, this is going to be a bear. That was one eager beaver. He was working on this tree and the other trees around him. Holy Moses. So we're right on the edge of the riverbank here, which is going to make this a little challenging. If I do that, I can get up with the hammer, drive a nail in. I'm not putting them in very high, obviously, because I don't want to go swimming. There's water all through this ditch over here. But if you work slowly and methodically, you can get the job done. Although I gotta admit, it's a much slower pace than normal. Hopefully this holds. Here we go. Place your bets right now. There we go. Okay, and the reason I have the step ladder is just to get it high enough up that when I drive this 60 penny in, I can get it in there fairly well. Now we'll come back. I don't know why I didn't wear my Psionic Neural sleeve today. I think because I thought it was going to rain. Then I thought it was going to be too hot. And with all that in mind, it's just easier not to do it. There we go. And there's a big branch right here, limb. You probably can't see. I gotta get over that. But by far the hardest thing with this is just the tall grass. Walking through it with that right leg. So here we go there. There, you can see that limb now, I guess. Right here. Once again, slow and steady. There we go. And worst thing to do would be to lose my sticks in the ditch, wouldn't it? I have to go swimming. Okay. Well, I gotta get set up better than that to pick this up. It only weighs about 20 pounds, but 30. But you need to the right level to do it. And reaching out to get that implanted. There we go. And it's up. It's in the shade. Won't get the summer sun on it. And gives me an excuse to come down to the river and check it out. Well, I hope you thought this was fun. Like I said, it's not really much of a video other than maybe showing how hard it is to get around with MS. And shout out to my buddy Rodney. I know he's got a beautiful setup down south on the East Coast. He's been getting swarms since, I think it was February. But shout out to him. Hey, thanks for watching and take care. Have